Right now what we're doing is running a hole all the way through because we're going to have to string our wires from one light all the way to the other light so that they can be on the same circuit. So what you have to do is get access between these studs and be able to drill a hole through each stud so that you can easily run the wire. Now that we actually have the hole put into the ceiling so that we can run the wires through the actual beams, what you have to do is find a 7/8 to an inch in diameter for the holes. Also, you have to remember to actually have these holes at least 3 inches up on the beam so that any sort of screws, nails, etc. do not come in contact with the wires and destroy them. As you can see right now, we're stringing the wires through each of the beams so that we can actually connect both of these lights together on the same switch and make it all turn on by the same switch. Right now he's running the final wire that connects both of the lights together.
Starting to wire your light, the light comes standard with your hot, your ground, your neutral. You want to get a adapter for your wires to go through your light, and so this is what it looks like. You can buy them at your Home Depot or whatever, and then your wires slide through here. So to install it, you'll pop the protection off. They bend up like this, pretty simple. And then you put your female or male adapter in first, screw it down. I think you can touch that probably. The insert, the rubber grommet will go in like so, your lock nut goes like that, and then your wires fit through that. That's what we're going to do next. Now that you've run your wire, you've put your insert in, you will feed your wire through your grommet. Give yourself a little bit of room, pull your wires through. Now it's safe. And there you have it. Now we'll start our wiring next. I'm going to strip the wires back and then I'll show you where to go from here.
Now that we actually stripped the wires, as you can see, we got the copper coming out of each of the wires. You have your black, your white, and then your just basic ground wire. Obviously the ground wire is going to be going to the green wire, and what you're going to do is take the little electrical caps, which come in different sizes and shapes, and you're going to want to actually cap each one. So it's a safety protection and it also keeps them together to run the power. So you just give it a nice couple twists, make sure that they're actually tight, and it'll actually fasten itself to each of the wires. So black goes to black, and then as you see here, blacks are going to go to the black, and then obviously the final wire is going to be the white wire, which connects to the white here.
Protective cap on, and now you are ready to install your lamp. Okay, so from now that you have your wires, they're all installed, you will install it to your studs. They have adjustments on them so that you can make sure that they fit correctly. Okay, so there's screw holes in there. And what you want to do is make sure they are level with your 2x, whatever you may have in your floor. And then simple as that. And then do all 4 sides to make it secure. And so now that you've wired it up, we've checked it, everything's wired, nutted, and fixed, and we installed the light bulbs just to show you that it does work, and next will be the sheetrock, and then it'll all be finished.